If you like simple, achievable ideas and you want a clean home without a lot of work, you made it to the right place. I love you so much. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to Do It on a Dime. This video is chock full of simple ideas, and I first want to start with the morning, especially for the people who tend to feel overwhelmed. I am right there with you, but we'll get to that. I feel like I've got a lot to say here. So in the morning, I really like to have my coffee, but one of my favorite holiday tricks is to put a bit of eggnog in my coffee. Now, I want to hear in the comments, do you like eggnog? I love it, and I use it in place of milk. I also crush up some candy canes from the Dollar Tree. This is such a favorite treat. And if you're somebody who doesn't like eggnog, you'll definitely like this trick. Come in, raid your pantry, go down to your breakfast bin and find your corn muffin mix. You can substitute milk in corn muffin mix with eggnog. It gives it this really rich, incredible taste. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. You can't actually taste the eggnog in this in the way that you think. Nobody else in my family enjoys eggnog like I do, but plan to get compliments on your corn muffins and it will be your little secret. These muffins are so good, they were fogging up the camera. I love to eat them hot with a generous pat of butter. This is one of my favorite holiday breakfasts, and I've even got some tricks for cleanup, but we'll get to that in a second, okay? Something else you might want to grab inside of your pantry are paper bags. Most people have these, and gingerbread is so in this year. I recently found for my sink a little gingerbread soap dispenser. I'm trying to add little touches around my house of all gingerbread things. Dollar Tree chalk pens work really well on paper bags. Lots of ideas in this video are totally free. So if you're short on gift bags this year or want to give little cookies or candy homemade treats to teachers and family and friends, this is such an adorable way to do it. I first saw this idea from Little Lauren86 on Instagram and absolutely loved it. It'd even be fun to pack your kids' lunches like this in the morning. And speaking of things that light up your life, I've got to show you these easy centerpiece ideas. And what's more, lots of these ideas are totally free, including this one. I got some free extra branches of Christmas tree clippings. You can find these at Lowe's or Home Depot where they cut down the trees. Grab a few and stick them into Dollar Tree floral foam. I put this on a charger just to give it some stability, and I added some hot glue and ornaments that I already had. And then I took some clean feet and some extra ribbon. I always have so much extra ribbon. Are you like me? Do you have a lot of ribbon at your house? And I wrapped this over under a couple of times. This is just a simple finger bow. I'll be sure to link the tutorial down below. And then I have a beautiful addition to my centerpiece. And I love how this lights up our tablescape. It was completely free using things that I already had at home. This would be great for Christmas Eve dinner. I also wanted to let you know that Walmart has these huge pillar candles, especially if you want flameless options. They're between $4 and $6, and this one is extra large, especially if you don't want to do something crafty. You can just set this inside of a lantern. It's really great on a kitchen counter. Because I want it to smell good, my secret weapon are sensicles. Y'all, these are the best. On my tension rod garland, I went ahead and I stuck some sensicles inside. That way, every time you walk underneath it, it smells like it's real. Anything that's lit with lights, I add a few sensicles. Cinnamon is another favorite one. This is really great by the entryway, especially where you keep your shoes. Welcome to our entryway. I definitely clean as little as possible. In a minute, I'm gonna show you my favorite way to clean the floors really fast, but so people think that it's clean when I promise it's actually not. What I do is take sensicles and I stick them inside whatever I have in front. I really like the cinnamon ones. The smell is so strong and you can get these for less than $5 at Walmart. I'll be sure to link it down below. In my last video, I sliced oranges and baked them to have beautiful dried fruit for around the house. But this next trick I think is my favorite of the video. Stick around, okay? Beautiful ice molds using all dollar store products. Oranges have been great this year, especially from Walmart. Let me know if you found the same. Slice these nice and thin, and then with your rounds, slice about half of them in half. And we're gonna create beautiful orange roses and some incredible drinks I think you're going to love. I took the large round slices and put them in this square silicone mold, and then the half moon shapes on opposing ends. I saw lots of these ice tricks floating around on TikTok, and lots of them were presented as easy hosting or party hacks. But my thought was, why wait for a party? You, just you, by yourself, are worthy of an elevated experience. I honestly used to be one of those people that when I would buy a fancy candle or a fancy thing, I would get it for somebody else, make it for somebody else, or create an experience that somebody else would get to enjoy that was elevated and fun. Like I had to wait to have people over to have something fancy fancy for myself. But this I took 15 minutes to do just for me. I turned on some Hallmark movies. It was really fun. I took these Dollar Tree ice cube trays and added some cranberries and some extra rosemary I had left over from Thanksgiving and froze these as well. This one has been going super viral on TikTok and they are so easy to make. Dollar Tree has lots of bins in the kitchen section. All of these containers are from the Dollar Tree. I got some smaller ones to help subdivide so I could stick this into my freezer. And I was so happy with how these orange roses turned out. I think I saw this first from Soberish Mom on TikTok, but I've seen lots of people do similar ones with all types of fruit. Yep, I'm 100% that girl with my fancy ice tray, and I love it. I love tangerine bubbly. It pairs really well with the oranges. And rose water and a faux rose wine that I poured over top. Oh my gosh, that combination together. You can add a little bit of spritzer or seltzer on top. This was absolutely delicious. I will link all of the ingredients down below. It's those small things, it always is, that makes a difference, hey? And I told you I want to share with you some of my favorite cleaning tricks, but before I can do that, I've got to get pretty honest with you guys. Welcome to my craft room. I struggle with this every single year. In fact, every year around this time, I post a video online showing the huge mess that crafting takes. I do tons of Dollar Tree DIYs. I make weekly content on YouTube with lots of ideas, and honestly, maybe 50% of the ideas don't work like I want them to. Then I get frustrated, or sometimes I don't have time. This week I was actually sick, so things got really out of control, and I had to go through and clean up the room. Maybe this room turns into my Monica closet. I'm not sure. Do you have crafting that you love to do? Or is there something for your job that requires a lot of extra work that you're like, man, this part of my house always explodes? Sometimes I feel guilt and shame over it, or I'm like, nobody wants to see this online. But then I was like, no, I actually do want to see. I want to see everybody's mess and know that it is not just me, okay? In 15 minutes, I got my 3 bins down of the rest of my DIYs for the season, and it felt really good. This actually took a lot less time than I was anticipating. It always does. And sometimes just getting up to start, even in a small way, it doesn't have to be perfect, is good enough. That's the gift to myself. And here are some of the products that I genuinely like. Nothing is sponsored. I just want to show this to you guys. This all-purpose Dollar Tree cleaner. It is a peppermint sage scent. It is perfect for the holidays. What I really like about this is you can use it on glass and on surfaces. It's kind of like my one-stop shop where I can just go around and take a few minutes to clean everything. In particular, this is a slower go for me over the holidays just because there's a lot going on and I'm honestly just not home as much, and that is okay. So something that I really like to do is find those things that help save time, and I saw this was on a Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, so I'll be sure to link it down below for you. Tinico Wet Dry Vax. That is the cleaner you've been seeing me use throughout this entire video. This is like a broom, a dog hair catcher, and a mop, all at the same time. So it saves me a step for my especially dirty floors. This was underneath of my bed. I usually clean this about once a season, and I had lost some things under the bed, which is how these things always go. It prompted me to clean. I actually lost my lip balm that was kind of expensive, and I was like, where is that? And then I realized, oh, I should clean. Sometimes you just need a little motivation, you know? And I also really like this baseboard cleaner. I'll link this down below. It's by Scrub Daddy, and it's just a wet sponge, and wow, does this do such a great job of cleaning your baseboards really fast. I am all about speed, especially this time of year. And I want to hear down in the comments some products that have been helping you, because if they're worth it, I would definitely love to share it on my channel. I'm kind of skeptical of new products, except for this one. I want to give you guys this super easy stuff when it comes to cleaning. I really like this Shark Stick Vac. It is super low profile. I got this on a Black Friday deal. I will be sure to link everything I can find at the cheapest price down below. This thing is awesome and has great suction power. It's perfect for pine needles on trees, all of your extra flocking, and those quick holiday cleanups. I even use this on my kitchen counter and even in my car. Whatever you can do to make it a little bit easier, to me, that is always worth it. I hope that the joys and gratitudes this season are easy to find. As always, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.